Google Business Profile, which we also know with the name of Google My Business. So my dear friends, Google Business Profile is created for this reason, so that we can show the presence of our business on Google search engine. All of us know that daily millions and billions of people spend their time on Google. They try searching for the things they need. So if they are searching for something related to our business in our area or related to our services or products, so we will also have Google My Business Profile, and from there leads can be generated free of cost, sales can come free of cost, and our business visibility will increase and ranking will improve. And the Google Business Profile, that itself will work as the local SEO. And right now I am teaching all of you that how you can in just a few minutes create a proper perfect Google Business Profile. But because this is a SEO course, and within this I will also tell you that how you can grow your Google Business Profile organically, like we do for our clients in our digital marketing agency. So right now, as you can see on my computer screen, that I have searched for Google Business Profile on Google. So the first website that comes up is Get Listed on Google. So I am going to click on that. And the business.google.com website will be opened, from where I can first of all create my account. So for this I need a Gmail mail ID using which I will create my account. Since Google Business Profile is also a Google product, so by using Gmail in just few seconds, you can effortlessly create an account. Just go to the website and click on Start Now. Now since my website is open, so from that only my Google Business Profile is created. In life, always keep one thing in mind. What people do is people tend to forget that from which email ID they created their Google Business Profile. They don't remember ID or the password. So when you are creating, because it's new right now, it doesn't make much difference. But in the long term, when your business will depend on it, like the leads will come, ranking will improve. Okay, you will have to make some changes here and you won't have those details. So you will be very regretful. I have seen many businesses start over and work hard again, and their years of hard work are wasted due to these small things. Okay, only they can tell you all of this. Those who have been doing this work for so many years, who have experienced all kinds of profits, losses, good and bad experiences. So our account has been created here in just a few seconds. And first we will start here by selecting the language, whatever country you're in or whatever language you want to create, you can select. I'll keep English only. So here, get your business discovered. Everything of ours will be visible on Google search maps too. So here friends, we need to give the business a name. So here I will keep it as MF Marketing Agency. Okay. So I have named it here MF Marketing Agency. I have given my business this name. Got it? So whatever the name of your business is, or the name of your company or the brand name, you need to enter the name here. Click on continue. After you continue, three options will appear in front of you. Whether your business is online retail, like an e-commerce site or a website where you sell products or services. Or is it a local store? Local store can include like any showroom, or also it could be any shop. Or else it can be a coaching center, hospital, clinic, or any such business that are physically present at a particular location, and you need to target the areas there. So here we did it. So here local stores and service businesses, or it is a service business. Like I have digital marketing agency, so I provide digital marketing services in India and outside India. So here I will select service business option. Now here I will press on next. You select whatever business you have, because you know your business better. Now what is this? Enter a business category. So my category is related to marketing. There are many options for marketing: marketing agency, marketing consultant, advertising agency. So I'll put in marketing agency here. Okay, so here if you have added marketing agency, so we can change it in the future as well. And we can add more to this. For example, here I have added marketing agency here. Okay, marketing agency done. Next, now moving forward, I can add more to this, like if I have more services to offer, etc. Next is, where do you serve your customers? This is optional. Okay, so here now they are asking the areas in which I work. Means the place I work, so I do it all over India. I also do it outside of India, but I will put here India. Now suppose you have such business. that you are doing in New Delhi, but you are also providing its services in Gurugram, alright? In Ghaziabad also, in Noida also. So here you can add like this, Delhi, Gurugram, Noida, like that. You can also add different locations. But I serve in whole India, so I've added India. Do next. And now here I will add the phone number. Because phone number is very important, copied phone number. So we went here and pasted the phone number. The website is optional, okay? But if your website is available, then it's a very good thing. Okay, so come in the search bar. We have already created a dummy website, friends, to teach you like SEO, Google Ads and other courses that are going on. And otherwise our main website is this, marketingfundas.com. This is our main website. So on our main website, you can come and contact us anytime, make inquiries. If you want services of digital marketing or want to take coaching, you can talk to us. So from here, I will copy the URL of the dummy website and here paste it on the website and click on next. Put your business on the map. Okay, so here the first option is written get news. Click on it, all right. We will continue. Moving forward here. So friends, here it is verify. Here it is written, please enter your mailing address to verify. Okay. So this is the address I will add here. So let me add the address here. Preet Vihar. Pin code. State. So here we will write New Delhi. Okay. And here I've added details. Now this, we have to verify it later, or you have to click on the next. So if you want to verify later, you can select on verify later. So I will click on the next. When I clicked on next, verification is in progress. No, sorry, it is you are now verified. So friends, now here we have done verification. It has verified me. Click on next. So here I will add about some of my services. Now tell me why it has verified me. Because I have an online business. I added the website phone number and created it with email ID. Now, if let's suppose I have a showroom or I have an office, or if it's an institute, then there. If I had chosen this local store, then a verification code would have come for this. So you have to enter the code that Google sends you. It also sends it through email, or it also sends it by courier. Okay. Now here I will add some of my services like digital marketing services and add the custom service, social media marketing, SEO. Okay. So in this way, I have added some services and I am moving on to the next step. Please do remember that you have to add all the main categories and subcategories of your services. All right. Therefore, these are all important things because the more proper and accurate information you will provide, your Google business profile will be made as strong on Google. Understood? Now business hours, people should know on which day your business is open, whether it's open 24 hours, 365 days, or which day it's open or closed. So let's say I close it on Sunday, then it will remain closed. Okay. Sorry, Sunday is closed, so we will keep it closed. My business is open on Monday, it is open on Tuesday and Wednesday, also Thursday as well. It is open on Friday. And on Saturday, let's say my business is closed. So here when the business is open, we have to tell at what time it opens. So friends, my office opens at 10 a.m. in the morning. And this the time at which my office closes at night. It closes at 7 p.m. in the evening, it closes at 7. Similarly, I will add in Tuesday as well. Okay. So here in the morning, it opened at 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. So in this way, I will fill everything. For now, I will close these. So in this way, you will have to add days and the timings properly. Keep that in mind. Here I will click on next and I will move forward. And since your business is online and you want to always show that your business is open all the days, so you can do it. It's up to you. Add business description. So here I will add the business description. MF means Marketing Fundas. MF. Marketing agency is providing digital marketing services and coaching since 2007. So by doing this, I have created a very good and a proper description. You can add description up to 750 characters approximately. So understand that here up to 750 characters. You can add the description. Don't put in too much. No one will read paragraph. Add 2-3 lines only in which you can tell about yourself, best to best, and if you want to add any pointers. So you can add it, put it in this way. Okay. So people can read easily and in less time. Click on next. I have put it in for dummy. So next one is add a storefront photo. Okay, so now here you need to upload some images, etc. Now whether it is your store or something or whatever, or whether it is your office, you will need to upload some images of it. So for now here I am going to add some images just for dummy. Let me check if I have some images here or not. Friends. So now I'll select this. Photos are a must. Make sure you add them. Make sure you add real photos, the ones that are actually yours. Or if you have videos, add them too. This increases trust among people and makes your profile more authentic. You can add multiple photos in this, but we will click on next. Okay? And add photos of your business. You can also see an example of this. You need to add photos like this, etc. For now, I'm skipping because I am trying to teach you, but I don't have those exact images. Claim your 20,000 advertising credit. So now we are going to skip this. Basically, it is a part of Google Ads. This 20,000 rupees showing here the advertising credit, the course we were running, which is Google Ads with AI course running on our channel. Like this SEO with AI course is running, I have taught you in Google Ads. That how, if you want to run the Google Ads, if you create an account, so up to 20,000 rupees. You get the credit free, you get 60,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees. I have told you all this. Alright. So rest, I will also give you the link of the Google Ads course in the I button, etc. So here I won't claim the credit, I will skip it for now. I mean, you can also run your ads on Google Business Profile and the local Google Maps. You see, when someone searches or you do local search, that like for example, you searched for a skin doctor in Preet Vihar. So there. Or physiotherapist in Preet Vihar or Lakshmi Nagar or in your area. So you have the list of many doctors coming in the Google Business Profile, and above sponsored is written at the top. Whether they are of that area or not, since they are running ads, they will be given priority. So like this, you can run ads. So here friends, everything is done. Right now we don't need to do Google custom emails or any of that. All of this is product selling, which Google is doing. It is a different matter. First, our job is to set up our Google Business Profile. Your edits will be visible once you are verified. You can continue to make. Click on continue. Let's see what happens. My Google Business Profile is created, but what happens is that when we create a Google Business Profile, so some of the information we provide to them is verified by their team. If they have any objections, if they feel something is missing, so then they tell us and they can also reject it. So we have to complete it and submit it to them. Here you can see it will also show the profile strength, whether it is best or if something is missing, then complete the information. If I go to the complete info, then it will tell you what needs to be completed. So obviously right now I'm not completing this because I'm doing it to teach you. Rest of it by moving forward, I will tell you how you can grow this organically. Okay, I will give you all the tips and tricks. So stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any important course or video. Thank you.